right, there's one. Now, interestingly enough, on this car, I can reuse my headlight wipers. I have to check to see if I have, like, one, a Euro car. I don't think so. But, or two, somebody switched their headlights prior and got some Euro lights, which might not be probable. Interesting. But the last ones that definitely didn't work, and I know most of the depots don't work on American cars where you can keep the headlights wiper. So whatever. I might still take it off though. I'm not sure if I like the look, but just because it could fit, I'll just leave it there for now. Another thing, these don't really tighten that well, so I'm probably gonna have to get a little bit bigger screw, or put like a washer under there, which is a pain in the ass because it's deep. So I'm gonna see what I can do with that, but I mean, it's not going anywhere. But yeah, there's one. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that's a better difference. Let's see. I might change those side markers back to orange. I really want the Euro one, but again, we'll see. But all right then, let's get back to this. Get going and get the other one.